Hi Mia, today we're going to be working on IP goals number 3 and number 4. So let's go over goal number 3. By the end of the 9 instructional weeks, when given verbal, visual, and model prompts, Mia will solve simple addition problems by adding within 1 to 5 with 70% of the time. So let's go ahead and look at our assignment, Mia. So this is our assignment that we're going to do for today. 2 plus 1, you write the answer. 1 plus 3, you write down your answer. After you're done with this assignment, we're going to look at goal number 4. By the end of the 9 instructional weeks, when given a picture, card, or quantity from 1 to 5 in visual, verbal, and model prompts, Mia will count the number of objects, manipulatives, counters, pointing, cubes, to demonstrate one-to-one correspondence, and choose the correct number response card with 70% accuracy. So this is the assignment that we're working on. It says count the items and write in the box. So we have 1, 2, 3 slices of pizza. So you write number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 French fries. So you write number 4. And you are counting. When you're done, Mia, make sure you send us a picture of yourself with your assignment. Have a great weekend.